When cutting textile panels, you'll need a utility knife, tin snips, a hacksaw with a smooth metal cutting blade, a hole saw to match the fixture size, a tape measure, and a straight edge. For personal protection, you'll need safety glasses and cut-proof gloves. Measure the space in which the panel will be installed to determine the cut you will be making to the panel. When measuring your cut, add a 1/4 inch to your measurement to keep the reveal consistent. Lay the panel on its back to cut, making sure that it is on a flat and secure cutting surface. You should always mark and cut the face side of a textile panel. Using a tape measure, mark the cutting position. With a straight edge as your guide, cut the panel to your desired size. When cutting the panel for length, you'll also need to cut through the attachment clip by using a pair of tin snips. If the perimeter panel requires cuts, install a foam spacer to maintain a consistent reveal. If the panel is accidentally cut short, use the spring and screw hardware included in your order. You can attach this to the panel and grid to maintain a consistent reveal. To cut for fixtures, first measure the dimensions of the fixture to determine the size of the cut to be made. Use a manufacturer's fixture template if it's provided. Remember to always mark and cut the face side of a textile panel. Safely secure your panel, then carefully make the cut. Once the cut is complete, install the textile panel into the grid. To find out more, visit CertainTeed.com/textile.